Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials. Install Mercury and sign in so you can act immediately. Once installed, create or link your account and enable two-factor authentication. This protects your workspace and avoids later lockouts. Next, assign an admin role to yourself and open the dashboard. Create a workspace, then import a sample dataset to validate connectivity and file type handling. This gets you into the app quickly, so you can move from setup to real configuration without delay. Now you configure the core. Design a workflow by selecting triggers, actions, and branching logic, and save it as a draft so you can iterate. You then map your data fields, connect dataset columns to Mercury schema, set type conversions, and establish sensible defaults to prevent errors. Once mappings are set, enable integrations by entering API keys for email, storage, and analytics. Run one test event to verify end-to-end behavior. This middle stage turns a skeleton pipeline into a functioning process. Finish by validating and deploying. Run Mercury's built-in tester, fix any parsing or schema errors, and confirm 0 failures before you go live. Once validated, deploy the workflow, either schedule or start immediately, and enable automatic backups and version history so you can recover quickly. Monitor runtime metrics for latency and error rates, and if something fails, check the detailed logs, rerun failed jobs, and roll back to the last working version. This closes the loop and keeps your system resilient in production.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.